Happy Saturday from Drevvikens Naturistbad nudist beach in the most beautiful nature. It is 12th of October 2024 and I am out exploring a whole new beach location. Well, to be fair, it is right next to the jetty where I usually take a swim, but now I want to explore if there is some other nice rocks here on the coast of Lake Drevviken, and there are. And here we have also a very nice small secluded beach in the beautiful nature overlooking the beautiful Lake Drevviken, and the other side there is also very nice rocky cliffs that I have visited once last year. And it is actually time for beach day number 170 on my Sweden beach adventures. Woohoo! And for that we have some sun for this special occasion, as I'm only 30 days away now from equaling last year's record from 2023, which is 200 beach days in Sweden. Now it took me 10 kilometers to get here, and I was cycling along the whole flattened lake, passing by 3 public beaches, and then through the forest I came to this secluded nudist beach spot. Now it is 10 degrees Celsius. Let not the sun fool you. It is still quite cold, but with the sun everything is better. And I measured that the lake temperature in Drevviken is 14 degrees Celsius, which is not that cold, as I was here 15 days ago or something. It was back then 17 degrees Celsius, so it is cooling down slowly but steadily, but we're gonna have a few more nice weeks of beach adventures. So yes, that's my Scott gravel bike right here, and with this wonderful nature all around, it's time for me to embrace and take a swim here in the Lake Drevviken. It's perfect. Look at the lake indeed. It looks so nice and amazing. And actually on this side there is not much of lake weed compared to with the jetty over there, but yeah, it looks quite nice. And we can see the scuba area on the other side, also pretty much beautiful nature all around. So with this view of this wonderful secluded nudist beach spot, it's time for me to embrace into the unknown, as this is my first time going into the water here. So let's get going. Amazing. So nice and beautiful, so peaceful indeed. All right, then ready, set, go! And so amazing feeling to be able to take a swim on this autumn day, 12th of October in Stockholm. I feel so blessed with this opportunity to have this wonderful view that you see. Amazing indeed. Beautiful. I mean, 14 degrees is not that cold, so it's still very decent temperature for a swim in the beautiful nature over here. So yes, that's a wrap then. I'm gonna enjoy here a bit more, maybe do some dances, some shorts, let's see, because it's nice weather and with the sun it feels a lot warmer than 10 degrees to be fair. So that's a wrap from Drevvikens Naturistbad here in the beautiful nature in Stockholm. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.